guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dominated24 here. Hello, Nick. Alright, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on my dirt bike, so let's head on over there.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's the dirt bike now.
Nice dirt bike.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. I'm going to upgrade this summer. I'm
If
going
you
to
upgrade, can you sell this? Are you going to sell it?
Yeah, I'm going to sell it. But
You're going to upgrade next summer?
yeah, to like a 110 or 125. Because this is a 75cc right here. Right? Okay, so
If you sell this, I might buy it.
here's the gas tank. Let me show you it. Here's the gas tank. Here's the throttle. Another brake right here. Don't push it down, because it'll fill the engine with oil and all that.
Oh, it feels nice. I like that.
Yeah, I like it too. Right here's to turn it on and off. Here's the exhaust pipe, which you probably might know.
Yeah.
Which I cut myself on it many times. Alright, here's the Kickstarter. Yeah. Here's the engine. There's a brake right here. And there's a pedal. The tires. If you don't know what tires is, you're stupid.
I know, right? Well, okay, no, we're not being mean, but we're just joking.
Yeah, I'm just joking around. Yeah, I'm just joking around. Alright. So that's basically it. We know.
Now we go to the back.
Hold on. Okay, here are the shocks. Here's the front fender. Here's a, I don't know what that's called, but okay.
Show the back. Show the side.
It's kind of hard to, okay, Nick? Alright, so there's the exhaust tip right here.
And, Dominic, you forgot about one thing. And here's the fidget spinner.
Really, Nick.
Yeah, here's the fidget
Alright.
spinner.
Look,
I'll wait to see.
can you show me on the camera?
Mm-hmm.
See, it's small for me. That's why I'm going to upgrade this next summer.
Okay.
Wait,
When you sell it, I'll ask my parents if I can have it. I don't know.
Alright, so yeah.
Well, I might be. Well, that's in the camera. Wait, no, mine. I'll be 7 by then. My brother's in 7.
Okay, so
I'll be 7.
let me go on the other side of the dirt bike to show y'all what I need to show y'all.
Show y'all. Show y'all the cornfields I grew up in. Oh, show y'all where the old man is. Cowboy out the cornfields. Woo!
Alright, it's kind of hard to show you right now. The chain guard, the chain there. I don't know really. I don't really know. That's called the chain guard, but whatever. Okay, it's down on the gas tank right here. Here's the gear shifter, another pedal, and the kickstand. Another half of the motor. I don't know what this is for, but
What?
no, you don't know, Nick.
Oh,
Alright, so this is the fuel. It's on off. Yeah, it's on. Alright, here's I forgot what that thing's called. And
if you're
yeah.
going this fast, let's go.
Spin it.
No, go faster. Wait a minute. Hold up.
There it is.
No, show the fidget spinner again. Who can go faster?
I can't even spin. Nick, stop. Alright, so yeah. That's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. But don't forget, if you haven't already, hit that notification bell and subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Smash it.
Look at this. A double fidget spinners.
Cool, no one cares, Nick.
Oh, man.
Alright. Bye, guys.